Guys, guys. Hey, Priscilla. Puta. Hey. I'm fucking talking to you, Priscilla. How dare you leave me with these motherfuckers? How dare you do that to me? Puta, I'm gonna hide in your truck. And when you're driving, I'm gonna attack you like a little puta. Eat that shenanigans, the food's really good. Eat that shenanigans. I want to eat. Hey, I don't like this shit. You left me here with these guys. Look what they're doing to me. Look. Priscilla. Priscilla, I'm coming for you. Oh, I'm massaging people all day with my hands. Fuck that. Fuck that. I'm coming for you, Cuckoo.